Yes, my name's Terry Robinson. I'm from Perth, Western Australia.
And I'm Terry's wife Alena, from the same place, of course.
We've been, today we're at the Royal Bali Beach Club in Jimbaran, and we've been staying here for over a week. This is our first visit to the Karma group because we've only been a member for 1 year. So we decided that we'd come to Bali for 3 weeks. So today we're at the Royal Bali Beach Club in Jimbaran. Beautiful resort, comfortable, excellent staff, the service is good, restaurants are good, swimming pool's good. So this resort is got the tick of approval.
And a comfortable beds too, that's important.
Very comfortable, very big beds, king size. We, as I say, we've been a member now for 12 months, so we went up to Karma Kindara, up at Uluwatu, and that place is just magnificent.
5-star, plus.
And it's Hollywood.
Amazing.
Hollywood. The facilities are good, the staff is good, restaurants are good, so we had a real great time up there. Unfortunately, we were only up there for a week. Prior to that, we were at Karma Kandasa. Sorry, I always get tongue-tied on that. That's up the coast. It's a lot quieter than what it is in the Kuta Legion areas, but once again the facilities are first class, the staff are very friendly up there. You've got the roar of the ocean, the break of the waves, and it's just, all we can say is the whole Karma group is just first class.
And we love it. Thank you very much.